Meanwhile, a federal judge has ruled that the Pentagon failed to comply with the court order to restore media access, rejecting a new set of restrictions introduced after earlier rules were found unconstitutional. Well, in his latest order, Judge Paul Friedman has directed the Defense Department to grant access to journalists from all the affected parties. The decision comes amid an ongoing lawsuit filed by the New York Times. In March, the court had determined that changes made by the Pentagon last year, including revoking credentials for several major news organizations, violated constitutional protections. However, instead of restoring access, the Defense Department implemented even stricter measures. The court noted that on the very next business day after the March ruling, the Pentagon shut down the long-standing correspondence corridor, a workspace used by journalists for years within the building. In addition, journalists were barred from entering the Pentagon independently and are now required to be escorted at all times. A separate workplace in an annex facility was proposed as an alternative. For decades, accredited journalists from leading media outlets had been granted access badges, allowing them to move through the designated areas of the Pentagon and interact with officials and public affairs staff. Now, the Defense Department has defended the tighter rules, citing security concerns. Pentagon officials said the department disagrees with the ruling and plans to appeal. Pentagon press access has become a flashpoint in the broader tensions between the media and the Trump administration, with officials frequently lashing out at coverage it views as unfavorable. Among other measures, last year the Defense Department forced 8 prominent outlets to vacate their workspace to make room for new, mostly conservative outlets. News agencies including AFP, the New York Times, Fox News and the Associated Press have refused to accept the revised policy, a move that led to the revocation of their Pentagon credentials.